Hey guys, it's Francis. Welcome back to my channel. I have a plan with me for the week of the 20th through the 26th. This was the week that Aladdin was coming out, so I wanted to do an Aladdin themed spread. All these pictures that you see me pulling out are images that I printed off of Google, and this is just a coloring book that has stickers in it, so I'm going to use the Jasmine stickers that are in that sticker book. I also pulled out a ton of washi. I wasn't sure which ones I wanted to use, so I just pulled all of them out. And then I ultimately just ended up deciding on going with this sticker book, this washi that I'm placing at the bottom of my page. I thought it really went with the Aladdin theme colors, I guess. So yeah, I used this washi, and this is actually from like an old tube from Michael's that I bought a long time ago. I don't even know if it's still available, but I do know that they have a lot of washi tubes, so you can always check your Michael's and see if they still have it. So I'm just going to fussy cut this image out and find a place for it on my spread. I really wanted to use that genie. I don't know if you guys saw it. It was like a big genie. I wanted to use that on the top right hand part of my page, but I didn't realize how big it actually was when I printed it out. So I ultimately ended up not using it. I was so sad because I really wanted to use that picture, but it was just going to take up too much space. But I was thinking if I decide to do a like memory planning spread, I can use it on that if I ever do a spread. But that's basically what I'm doing. I'm just going to cut out all of these, you know, images and find a place for them. I'm also whiting out the dates because, you know, obviously those aren't the right dates, which I pulled out those pages from my student happy planner, my Target student happy planner. I liked that it had like the purple in it, so I just decided to pull those pages out to add a little bit more color to the spread. So I did end up seeing Aladdin. I like the movie. If you haven't seen it, I do recommend you seeing it. I don't think that it was Disney's best movie, in my opinion, but it wasn't, you know, it wasn't the worst. I thought it still was a good movie, but for me, I just feel like something was missing. I don't know what it was. I don't know. Like, I almost felt like it was a little anticlimactic, even though the end was kind of, you know, there was like this whole thing that happened, but I don't know. I just feel like something was missing from the movie. I can't explain what it was. I thought Will Smith did a good job as the genie. You know, I thought he was funny. But another thing that I had to like, I don't want to say that I didn't like, but I was just kind of a little disappointed in was the whole New World scene. You know, like, I just felt like that could have been better, but I can't tell you how they could have made it better. I just feel like something was missing from that whole scene. I mean, overall, I don't want to, if you haven't seen it, I don't want to discourage you from seeing it, because I do think it was a good movie. I just think it could have been better. So if you've seen it, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Did you like it? You know, do you think that there was something that they could have done better? Let me know, and then we can talk about it. But anyway, I'm just placing all these stickers down and whiting out like the purple on the side. I was going to cut off that edge off, but then I thought it was going to look weird, so I just decided to leave it like that. I don't mind that sticker hanging over, so I just left it like that. And then I did put this Memorial Day sticker on Monday. I don't know what I was thinking. I was just way ahead of myself. It was not Memorial Day that Monday. I do realize this like halfway through filming my spread that Monday wasn't going to be Memorial Day, and I do take it off and adjust the boxes, so you'll see me do that a little later, you know, in the spread. And then these just are more stickers that are from that Disney sticker book. This is like a lamp. I realized as I was filming it that I didn't have the lamp. I was like, oh my gosh, how did I not print a lamp out? But this will have to do. I kind of wish I had the gold lamp, but it's fine. It'll be fine. washi tape that I got from Michael's in a tube a long time ago. This is also from Michael's. I don't end up using, I ended up taking that washi out. But the other washi, this washi, I also got from Michael's in a tube. They might still have that. I don't know. The two main sticker books that I end up using are both by the Happy Planner, and I just use the Colorful Box sticker book, and the original Colorful Box sticker book, and then the student sticker book, one of the original student sticker books, which I will try and link both of those down below. But anyway, guys, I'm going to let you guys finish watching the rest of this spread. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below, and also let me know what you think about this movie. I really am curious to know. Hopefully my videos for next week will be back on track, so I will see you guys real soon with another video. I hope you guys are having a great week, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!